number 3. Miss Francesca Farr from Magalang, Pampanga. Anong oras ka na makarating dito?
We arrived, went from Magalang at 4 p.m. Tapos nakarating kami dito almost 6:30.
Okay. Would you like to greet the people of Paranaque? Good evening.
Yes, of course. I would like personally to thank all the people right now who's watching us, and thank you for staying with us and just enjoy the night and be amazed. And thank you. And of course, to the Para Board judges and to you, sir, thank you so much, especially to the kind and friendly organizer. Thank you so much.
Alright. Repeat your question. You can repeat.
The question goes like this. Do you think modern technology is beneficial
Beneficial or harmful?
Okay, do you think modern technology is beneficial or harmful? And explain. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, good evening. We all know that in our generation for today, we are living in a modernizational world. So what do we need to expect? A modern technology will always possess and will always increase as we are facing the reality. But based on my own idea, all technology consists of two things, positive way and one negative way. Negative when you know in yourself that you yourself is using technology in bad things. You forget your responsibility in life. You forget your responsibility as a child. And you forget your responsibility as the power of God. By means of focusing yourself through the technology, so it is harmful. But then again, it is beneficial to everybody when you know in yourself that you are using technology just to improve your knowledge, just to gain more experiences towards the modernizational world, and you are using technology, especially if you are a student, brother, you are using technology if you want to solve your problem, wherein not only in yourself you know it, but you need an increased knowledge that can be impacting your mind. Because at the end of the day, whether we like it or not, we must realize that in everything we do, we must put in ourselves that there must be a respect, there must be always a limitation, and there must be always a belief that we know in ourselves that we are using the technologies in a positive way. Because at the end of this life, it's not about the technology, it's not about the people who've seen you that you are using technology, but it's about yourself, whom you know in yourself that you are doing good things, and in return, you are earning much more and better ways, so that at the end of our life, God will satisfy, and all our family will be proud of us.